Hello, and welcome to Beginner Woodworking class number 7. I am SoCal Wood Gal, and in today's class, we're going to build a sideboard. Crazy, right? Sideboards, also known as consoles, a hutch, and sometimes even just a dresser, they're commonly used in the dining area of a home to hold dining-related periphery, like napkins, additional china, candles, and placemats. For years, we've had an etagere, which is open, messy, and very dusty. Let's change that. A sideboard with carefully planned drawers and cabinet doors will allow us to hide all of the things we frequently use behind closed doors. We'll go through each step of the building process and end with finishing the sideboard with paint or stain. This class is for anyone interested in learning how to build a sideboard. It is a bit more advanced than our prior classes, so it would be really helpful if you've taken some of the beginner courses on this channel or elsewhere. Some basic tools are necessary: eye, ear, lung protection, sander or sandpaper, gloves, paintbrush, cloth or shop towel, sponge brush, miter, jig or handsaw, circular saw, drill bits, clamps, and a pocket hole jig. Additionally, it's optional for you to have a Craig shelf pin jig. Now, all of these classes are meant to build upon each other, and for this class, I really would specifically suggest the classes on finishing, joinery, and building a simple table. All of these cover steps that will show up in this class, but in much more detail. So, without further ado, let's dive in.